5 people are going to die, I'll show you soon, said a WhatsApp status posted by this man before he killed a family of 4.
उसका यही कहना था कि वो तनाव में था।
This happened in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh, where a husband, his wife and their 2 children were killed.
उसके सामने जो आया वो इतना भेद नहीं कर पाया और गोलियां चलाता गया।
But who was the 5th person who was going to die as mentioned in this WhatsApp status? On the evening of 3rd October 2024, a man with a gun barged into a house and started shooting at anyone in sight. According to Times of India, the man got into an argument with the couple before he shot them. Sunil, his wife Poonam, and their 1-year-old and 6-year-old daughters were taken to the hospital after being shot, but they were soon declared dead. Sunil was shot 3 times, Poonam was shot twice, and their daughters were each shot once. Sunil was a teacher at a government school in Singhpur. He had also served in the Uttar Pradesh police before he became a teacher in 2020.
मेडिकल स्टोर और लोग बगल में हैं, वो लोग बताए कि अंदर गोली चली, यहाँ से ये भागे, बगल में आरती चल रही थी, वहाँ से कुछ लोग आते हैं तो अंदर जाते हैं, 2-3 सिपाही और दरोगा साहब आते हैं, अंदर जाते हैं तो देखते हैं कि 4 लोग मृत पाए जाते हैं।
While investigating the case, the police found out that Sunil's wife Poonam had filed a case against a man named Chandan Kumar from Raebareli in August 2024. The FIR was lodged under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Act for atrocities against Dalits and for eve-teasing. According to the police, Poonam stated in the FIR that if anything happens to me and my family, Chandan should be held responsible. The police intercepted Chandan at a toll plaza in Noida just a day after the murders took place.
वहाँ से एसटीएफ की टीम द्वारा इसको गिरफ्तार किया गया है, एसटीएफ की गौतम बुद्ध नगर इकाई द्वारा।
The police added that he was fleeing to Delhi, and when they tried to catch him, he allegedly snatched an officer's gun and fired at the officers. However, the police said they shot him in the leg to stop him, and he was later taken into the custody after his treatment.
उसने पूछताछ में अपना जुर्म कबूल किया है।
Chandan alleged that he had an affair with Sunil's wife Poonam for over a year, and they were in constant touch, but had a fallout recently.
और उसमें मनमुटाव आ गया था, उसी में तनाव पूर्ण माहौल में तनाव में वो आ गया था और उसी तनाव की वजह से उसके द्वारा ये घटना कारित की गई।
Poonam's brother denied Chandan's allegation of having an affair with his sister. He said, Chandan used to force my sisters to speak with him. He also took pictures with her forcefully that are now being circulated. The police also found a screenshot of Chandan's WhatsApp status from 12th September where he mentioned killing 5 people. The police said Chandan was referring to himself as the 5th person who was going to die.
देखिए 4 लोगों की तो इसने हत्या कर दी और घटना स्थल पर ही इसके द्वारा स्वयं को भी मारने का प्रयास किया गया। गोली मिस हो जाने के कारण ये बच गया और वो जो गोली मिस हुई थी वो जिंदा कारतूस भी हमारे द्वारा बरामद किया गया।
According to the National Crime Records Bureau, more than 28,000 murder cases were reported in 2022, out of which 9,962 cases were due to disputes and 3,761 cases were because of personal grudges. In Amethi, the investigation was still underway as of publishing this story.
देखिए इस संबंध में हम लोग अभी उससे चूंकि अभी विस्तृत पूछताछ अभी बाकी है, विस्तृत पूछताछ में भी ये तथ्य सामने निकल कर आएंगे, आपको अवगत कराएंगे।